Welcome to the practice of Yoga Nidra. We will start with the chanting of the mantra Om. Please be seated on your carpet. Close your eyes gently. I will say Om and you repeat after me. Om. Closed and do not open them till you receive clearly instruction for opening. Please remember that the whole Yoga Nidra has to be practiced with the closed eyes. Relax the whole body and try to look within your body with the closed eyes. Try to release the tension in the muscles of your body and adjust it in a very comfortable state. You can move your limbs if you feel necessary at this stage, but hereafter do not move any part of the body till the Yoga Nidra is over. Now look at your breathing. The breath is going in and out smoothly. Try to breathe in fully, deeply and slowly. Then breathe out in the same way. Now imagine that all your worries, tensions, illness of your body and mind are passing away as breath is going out, and you are receiving the vital energy from outside as the fresh air is entering is in. Repeat this once more in the same way. Your body is becoming more and more relaxed as the breath is going out. You may tend to sleep because of the relaxed condition of your body, but resolve firmly in your mind that you should not sleep during the study of Yoga Nidra. Otherwise, you will miss the miraculous effect of Yoga Nidra. Now, try to listen to the sound coming from the longest way. Just listen. Do not think about them. Just listen. Now, listen to the sound coming from this room only. Sounds coming from this room only. Now, try to listen to the closest sounds. The closest sound is the sound of your breath, the sounds of your own heart, the sound of your blood flowing through the arteries and veins. Try to listen to your own breathing. Feel the expansion of your whole body as you breathe in and relaxation of the whole body as you breathe out. Now try to concentrate on the instructions and follow them with full awareness. Some other thoughts may enter your mind, but do not think about them so that they will not disturb you. Relax your body. Your whole body is relaxing slowly and you are enjoying this relaxation of saying Om silently. Look at your body again, which is becoming more and more relaxed. Your body is relaxing from head to toe. All your tensions are reducing. Please keep in mind that you are practicing Yoga Nidra. Be conscious of your body. Be aware and make this resolve. I am aware I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I am not going to sleep. Inhale another deep breath. Exhale it out. Now this moment you should make your resolve. It is like this. I am going to live my life with peace and joy, as I am going to control my emotions. Now my life will be full of peace and joy forever. Please read it again. I am going to live my life with peace and joy, as I am going to control my emotions. Now my life will be full of joy and peace forever. Now we are going to start the next stage of the body awareness. Look inside your body. Rotate your awareness through your body from head to toe. I will pronounce the name of the organ one by one. You try to be aware of that organ. Take your mind to that organ. Try to relax the muscles of the organ. Then go to the next organ. Relax those muscles and so on. Look at the right side of your body. Right hand. Concentrate on the thumb of your right hand. Relax the muscles of the thumb. Now look at the index finger. Relax the muscles. The middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger. All the fingers of your right hand are relaxed. Now look at the palm. Relax the muscles. The wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the right shoulder. Try to relax the muscles of your right hand. Now look at the right side of your chest and stomach. Relax the muscles. Look at the right side of the waist, right hip, right thigh, right knee, the calf muscles, the right foot, the right ankle, the right heel, right sole, top of the right foot, right toe, the big toe, the second toe, third one, the fourth toe, and the fifth one. Now look at your left side, left hand. Relax the muscles of thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, the ring finger, and the little finger. All the fingers of your left hand are relaxed. Look at the palm, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the left shoulder. Try to relax the muscles. Look at the left side of your chest and stomach. Relax the muscles. Look at the left side of your waist, left hip, left thigh, left knee, the calf muscles, the left foot, the left ankle, left heel, the left sole, top side of the foot, left toes, first, second, third, fourth, and the fifth one. Both your sides, right and left, from head to toe, are relaxed totally. Now, look at the back side of your body, right shoulder, left shoulder, whole spine from neck to the waist. Relax the muscles of the neck, those chest, ribs. Relax the vertebra behind the abdominal. Relax the vertebra of the waist. Try to relax the whole spine of the front and the back side. Now, look at the front side of your body. Relax the abdominal muscles, the chest muscles, and those of the neck. Look at your face. Relax the muscles of your forehead, eyebrows, left and right. Relax the lips. Look at nose and try to relax it. Left cheek, right chin, upper lip, lower lip. Relax the muscles of the jaws. Keep the teeth touching each other gently. Look at your tongue. Try to relax it. You have relaxed the whole body from top to toe. Some muscles might have been stretched again. Look at them and try to relax them. Rotate your mind throughout your body and try to relax your body, which are stressed. Once again, look at your body and relax the same as a whole. Left hand as a whole, left side of the body, left leg. Now, look to right hand as a whole, right side of your body, right leg, back side of your body, the front side of your body, neck, muscles of the face from forehead to tongue. Now your body is fully relaxed and your breathing is coming slower and slower. As your body is relaxing, the breathing is automatically becoming slower and slower. Try to concentrate on your breathing, but do not control it. Let your breathing be free. You will realize the rhythmic movement of the navel area, up and down, slowly and gently, and breathing is going out and in. Be aware of this movement. The breath is entering in as the abdominal wall is moving up and the breath is going out. All your muscles are being relaxed more and more. You are feeling the heaviness of your body. Your body is becoming heavier and heavier. It is sinking down and down the earth. It is sinking down and down the earth. Now imagine that your body is losing the heaviness and becoming lighter and lighter. You feel the lightness of your body as it is floating in the air. Your body is floating in the air. Experience lightness in your body. Stay aware, stay conscious. Now I am describing some incident. Listen to me at pictorial views. You should try to visualize the same with the help of your memory, experience and imagination. Try to realize the experience with your eyes closed. Imagine that you are sitting on the seashore calming and quietly. Just look above your head. It is a blue sky, expanding and expanding to infinity. You're going deep and deep into the sky, and there is nothing but the blue sky. You are losing your identity. Now, look at front of you where a dark blue ocean is expanding. You are looking at the blue water and nothing else. The waves are moving gently towards you. The waves are moving gently towards you, and you are losing your identity among these waves. Now, try to remember your original resolve you had made the beginning of Yoga Nidra. Now, feel your breathing off the tip of your nose. Be aware of it fully. Move your attention to the rhythmic movement of the navel muscles. Now, look at your body, which is laying down on the ground. You had relaxed it in the beginning of Yoga Nidra. Become aware of your body and your limbs. Visualize the flow and surroundings around you where you have practiced the Yoga Nidra. You have become aware the whole body. Slowly start moving your body. Move your toes, legs, stretch them and bring them together. Straighten the neck slowly, but do not open the eyes. Your body has become alert. Be seated slowly. Be aware of the light and feel the moment, the beauty of the present moment. Rub the both palms against each other and slowly place the palms on top of the closed eyes. Feel the heat from the palms touching the eyelids. Feel the gradual warmth of the Prana Shakti flowing from hand to the eye. Then slowly remove the hands and open your eyes. The practice of Yoga Nidra is over. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.